Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I had a completely different video planned out for you guys today, but yesterday YouTube announced really huge changes to AdSense, which is affecting a lot of smaller YouTube channels. So if you guys want to learn what changes YouTube made, please stick around and let's get started. The reason I wanted to bring this up is because I consider myself a smaller YouTube channel, and I know that there are channels that are way smaller than me that will be affected by these changes. So in short, what is this massive change? So I don't know if you guys remember, a couple months back, YouTube made an AdSense change that in order to qualify for AdSense, you needed to have a minimum of 10,000 lifetime views. So at the time, that seemed like it would take a bit, but it was achievable. Yesterday, YouTube announced that as of February 20th, 2018, we will need to have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time. So if you do the math, I think that's around 260,000 minutes of watch time. And if you guys don't know the difference, there's a huge difference between watch time and lifetime views. So again, to clarify, you will need a minimum of 4,000 hours of watch time. That's an insane number, especially for a channel that has 1,000 subscribers. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it makes it so hard for the little channels, maybe not necessarily to grow, but to get monetized. I know it feels nice once in a while to get even a $10, $20 check. You do not have to be paid for this, but it helps if you're buying equipment. The first thing that I saw this morning was by Justin Odisho, and he said people still play basketball for fun without expecting to be an NBA star. But with YouTube, it seems like people have lost the fun if they aren't expected to get paid. What happened? I understand this perspective because if you love it, you're gonna do it. And I'm here to say I'm gonna continue doing it because you're never gonna reach the threshold if you stop producing content. Other people like Anthony DeLuca, he's another YouTuber. He recently started a second channel, left his first channel, which I think had like over 200,000 subscribers because it just wasn't going the route that he wanted. And he said, "Thanks YouTube, my new channel can't be monetized right now, and I'm so frustrated because of this new system. I won't be stopped." See, he's gonna continue doing it. And the list continues. A lot of people are split. Some people are saying that they really agree with this change, and some people say they don't. After lots of effort, tried to enable monetization last week, and today this email. A lot of people had recently just reached the 10,000 watch time views threshold and were excited to monetize, and then next month it will be taken away. Some people say that it's a really good change because according to YouTube, this is going to stop people from impersonating and using other people's content because they won't be able to monetize it. Let's say some impersonator uploads one of your videos, which by the way is happening to me right now. They won't be able to monetize because they have to have 1,000 subscribers before being able to do so. So I want to say that I understand a lot of these point of views. If you're a smaller channel, don't give up. Continue creating content. If you feel like, you know, it's over for you, it's not. Just sit down, take a breath, and just keep going. I say that because that's what I thought of yesterday. I wanted to be like, I'm done. But here I am filming another video. So use this as a new push. I know it's easier said than done, but we need to make sure that we are not punished for what larger YouTube creators have done in the last 2 weeks, if you know who I'm talking about. So if you guys found this video entertaining, helpful, or useful, if you want to talk about this, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to connect with me on Instagram and Twitter at @MyStashing for both, and I'll see you guys next time.